Mama bird.
Tweety, Tammy, and Tweet.
A little nest right in the corner of our house in a rain gutter. What are their names, Molly?
One of the babies, his name is Tammy, and the other one's Tulip. The other one's Tweety, and the mom's Tulip.
So you named these yourself, Molly?
Yeah.
And you moved me just when I thought that I had it all together. And you moved me just when I thought things could not get any better.